Machine learning isn't a single technique. It's a diverse field with various approaches, each suited for different problems. We primarily categorize ML into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. First up, supervised learning. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them pictures of cats and say cat, and pictures of dogs and say not a cat. You're providing both the input, the image, and the correct output, the label. Supervised learning works similarly. We train models on labeled data, input, output pairs. The goal is for the model to learn a mapping from input to output so it can predict the output for new, unseen inputs. Common tasks include classification, predicting a category like spam or not spam, and regression, predicting a continuous value like house prices. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, the data doesn't come with labels. It's like giving the child a pile of mixed animal pictures and asking them to group similar ones together without telling them what a cat or dog is. The model's job is to find inherent patterns, structures, or relationships within the data itself. A primary task is clustering, where data points are grouped based on similarity. Another is dimensionality reduction, simplifying complex data while retaining important information. It's often used for exploratory data analysis or identifying hidden trends. Finally, reinforcement learning. This is perhaps the most intriguing, inspired by how humans and animals learn. Imagine a dog learning tricks. You give a command, the dog tries something, and if it performs correctly, it gets a treat, a reward. If not, no treat, a penalty. The dog learns through trial and error, optimizing its actions to maximize rewards over time. In RL, an agent interacts with an environment, taking actions and receiving rewards or penalties based on its state. This is the basis for AI in complex games, robotics, and autonomous systems. Each type has its strengths and best use cases. Understanding these fundamental distinctions is crucial as we move into the practical aspects of building ML systems. Next, we'll look at the typical workflow involved in any machine learning project.